Hey guys, we're back. Lesson 3 or challenge 3. This one is called City of Order. So order, audacity. So, yeah, to analyze a sound wave. Maybe it's giving us a hint that it's audacity. So here, I've already downloaded the what you call this, the download. It's called Audacity. So let me open Audacity. Here's Audacity. Let me bring it right here. Make it big. Open. It's a sound. The file is called sound. I put it on documents. Documents. Where are you, Mr. Sound? There we go. This one doesn't really matter. So here it is. So now it's open and it said that there's a flag here. So what I do is that I just go sound and I try to see a multi-view. So you see, I see this. But now let me make it just bigger so everyone can see. Okay, so this is it. Let's play the sound. There's nothing that appears here, so let's play the sound and hear what we hear. Oh, let's play that one more time. So what this is a radio frequency. It's a signal, and normally intelligent institutions use it to transmit data. If you notice, when you press your remote or for your car, there's a signal that's being transmitted that initiates an action. So with that action, just to go back to that example, that's information. It's authenticating that indeed this is the user who has clicked on this car and he's close to it, he wants to open it. All of that is information that's being sent via signal. So if you intercept it and you have an interceptor, you can capture the signal, and then once you capture the signal, you can try analyze the message or any encoded thing, because that's how they transfer information, these secret intelligent institutions. So if that doesn't work, I'll change the frequencies. So I'll try and go here, not that, when I see that, and I'll go format, maybe, or rate, and if I go to a lower rate, oh behold, there's FLAG spectrogram, and that's how I achieved this task. So you can see flag spectrogram, and I think that's what they were trying to teach us. So when we go back to the lesson and we go flag spectrogram, let's see, it should be here. Oh man, I have to type it out. Let's make this small so we can see it. And SP3 CTO GR4M. Let me try to do that. Small letters. Let me copy it. So if it doesn't want, you've already solved this, you see. So yeah, let me put it here so you can see spectrogram. And I say accept. You've already solved this. So that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. More on forensics, criminology. Ooh, scary. Intercepting, secret intelligence. All the message they send through these signals. We can see you. Thank you for watching. Please do leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe, guys, please.